Hello, welcome to our new video lesson. This is Essay I Am Learning English, and today we will learn simple sentences using can. What can you do? I can write. I can read. I can count. I can draw. I can jump. I can run. I can swim. Now we have the question form. Can you write? Can you read? Can you count? Can you swim? Negative form. I can't run. I can't draw. I can't jump. I can't sing. Now we have the affirmative. I can work. You can work. He can work. She can work. It can work. We can work. They can work. Now we have the negative. I can't work. You can't work. He can't work. She can't work. It can't work. We can't work. They can't work. And I cannot and I can't. Both of them are same. I can't is the short one. Question. Can I work? Can you work? Can he work? Can she work? Can it work? Can we work? Can they work? Things I can do. Brush. I can brush my teeth. Comb. I can comb my hair. Wash. I can wash my hands. Do. I can do my homework. Clean. I can clean my room. Ride. I can ride bicycle. Make. I can make my bed. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope that you will use these sentences also.